Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix error code 277 in Roblox. This error usually happens due to network issues or corrupted system settings affecting Roblox connection. First, just go ahead and go to the Windows search bar and type cmd, then find your command prompt. Just right-click on the command prompt and choose to run as administrator. After that, in the command prompt, just run the following command. The first command is going to be netsh winsock reset. Hit enter and wait for the process to complete. Then another command is going to be ipconfig /flushdns and hit enter. After that, just go ahead and restart your computer. After restarting, just go to the Windows search bar and search for Roblox Player. Then go to Open File Location, select your Roblox Player, and press Alt and Enter on the keyboard to open the Properties panel. Just go to the Compatibility tab and make sure Run this program in compatibility mode is selected, then choose Windows 8. Also toggle on Disable Full Screen Optimization and run this program as an administrator, then click Apply and OK. Now restart Roblox and try joining a game again. The error code 277 should now be fixed. And that's it. We just learned how to fix Roblox Error Code 277 by resetting network settings and adjusting compatibility options. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.